Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Duzen at New Hope Chiropractic, and I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of coconut sugar a little bit today because coconut has become more and more popular both as a sweetener and also as a cooking oil. So, number one, it can help with diabetics. Coconut sugar and coconut nectar contain a fiber known as inulin. This is not insulin, it's inulin. This fiber may help slow glucose absorption and it offers an alternative for those dealing with diabetic problems. Some studies show that inulin may help reduce the absorption of glucose, therefore keeping glucose levels in check. And with a taste much like brown sugar and coconut nectar is gaining popularity as a sweetener in everything from coffee and tea to delicious food recipes. And the American Diabetes Association shares that while it's okay for those with diabetes to use coconut sugar as a sweetener on a diabetic diet plan, it's important that they use it the same way they would use table sugar because it contains just as many calories, really, and also carbohydrates, about 15 calories and 4 grams of carbohydrates per teaspoon. And another important note is that it's often found blended with table sugar. So take a look at the label carefully before making a purchase and make sure that's not the case. It's also paleo approved, sort of. If you're on a paleo diet, coconut sugar is an option that you can use to satisfy that sweet tooth, according to the Ultimate Paleo Guide. And some hardcore paleo followers still avoid it since it's often processed. However, it's thought to have been used in Paleolithic times, which is part of its claim to being okay for those on the paleo diet. And studies lead us to think that our ancestors obtained about 35% of their dietary energy from fats, 35% from carbohydrates, and 30% from protein. So coconut sugar would lie in the carbohydrate category, but it's still a processed form of the coconut flour. Now, perhaps the coconut nectar or liquid form of it is a little closer to paleo for those who want to maintain a more strict paleo lifestyle. It also contains vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Coconut sugar contains vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients in small amounts. Iron and zinc, for example, are found in coconut sugar, and this contains about 2 times more than granulated sugar, according to the Food and Nutrition Research Institute. And they also notate that there are a decent amount of phytonutrients, especially polyphenols, flavonoids, and anthocyanidins, and these phytonutrients help reduce your blood sugar. They also help reduce inflammation, cholesterol, and this makes coconut sugar a better option than many other sweeteners for that reason. Also, the American Cancer Society explains that phytonutrients that come from plants offer many health benefits and are better choices than supplements or pills. Also, coconut sugar is good for your gut. Like I said earlier, coconut sugar contains inulin. Inulin has the ability to stimulate the growth of intestinal bifidobacteria, commonly found in probiotics, and this can provide an overall boost to your immune system. And although these bacteria are a group of bacteria that normally live in the intestines, they can be grown outside the body and taken orally as a medicine. These bifidobacteria have also been known to restore good bacteria in the gut, and these can be destroyed, of course, through things like chemotherapy, an antibiotic regimen, and things like that. And also the bacteria helps many conditions that may affect the intestines like diarrhea, ulcerative colitis, and pouchitis, and it has even been used to prevent a particular bowel infection found in infants called necrotizing enterocolitis. So as you see, coconut sugar has many benefits and can be a good sugar substitute or alternative. And of course, you should always make sure you have a proper functioning nervous system so that your digestive system works properly, so that the foods and raw materials you put in your body are properly metabolized, and a healthy nervous system can definitely help do that. So get your spine checked with chiropractic and maintained with chiropractic as well. So check us out at newhopechiropractic.com for information about setting up an appointment. And with that, I hope you have a healthy day.